unprecedented move. Assam police allegedly acting on Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's orders barred Rahul Gandhi from visiting Batadravathan, birthplace of Saint Sri Sri Sankardeva, despite prior approval from the temple's managing committee. Gandhi denied entry, protested peacefully, questioning the decision. In a twist of events, on the morning of January 21st, the Satradhikar cited anticipated large crowds at Batadravathan on January 22nd morning, suggesting Rahul Gandhi's visit be postponed to after 3 p.m. This explanation raises questions about the sincerity of concerns and implies apprehension regarding the potential surge in Rahul Gandhi's popularity. Congress leaders, including K.C. Venugopal, criticized the incident, accusing the BJP of determining temple visits and warning against rising authoritarianism. Gaurav Gogoi, on behalf of Gandhi, later visited the birthplace of Saint Sri Sri Sankardeva.
I was invited there on the 11th, and then I think they've been pressurized. So now we're asking if Gaurav can go because he's the local MP. So they're finding out. They're obviously being ordered from on top. They don't want me to go.